Good afternoon, students. Can you see this share screen? You can message me. Okay, yes. So today we will start new lesson, that is water to live. Block number 6. All of you open page number 3030. Now you see in this lesson water to live means you know the exact meaning of this lesson. Okay, let me explain you. Now you see, all over you find water, rivers, seas, lakes, ponds, and at home also we get a tap water. Yes, na? Through taps we get water, and which is used to wash our utensils, to take bath, for drinking we require water. है ना? But one thing I want to tell you, that this earth is a planet, and in this planet our land is totally covered, means 75% with water. Yes, and only 25% is land. But now why I am actually informing you this thing, because now you see we require water for drinking, for bathing, for washing utensils, washing clothes. So from these so many things actually we needed water only. Whatever we do, without water are we going to live? No. हम जिंदा रह सकते हैं क्या पानी के बिना? नो. सो वी रिक्वायर वाटर. Water is very much essential for us, because without water can't even we wash our clothes, we can't take bath. So how to actually save our water? By planting so many trees around us. We have to plant more and more trees. And what we have to do? We have to just take precautions when we use water. We should actually, suppose when we are brushing our teeth, so what we have to do? You have to keep your tap off. आप जब ब्रश करते हो तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? टैप बंद करना चाहिए. वाटर सेव करना पड़ेगा ना. If we want to save water, we have to off our taps. Through the rainfall also we get water, but all it flows away, rivers. Okay. So here water bodies are completely on the earth, like ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. Okay, and water bodies from where we use water are called sources of water. What are the sources of water? Water bodies from where we use water. From where we use the water are called the sources of water. How we get water? We get water from rainfall, from rivers, lakes, ponds. These are all actually water bodies. And water is present on the earth. Water is present on the earth also. And in natural water bodies, they are totally natural. Can man-made these rivers and seas, oceans, man-made? No. These are all the natural water bodies. Natural means they are all God-gifted natural bodies, like ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. We get water from these natural sources. Means how we will get water at home? Through the taps. If you just on your tap, you can get the water. From wells also. You know well. Well means जिसको हिंदी में कुआं कहते हैं. Yes, in this picture also you can see. Wait, I'll zoom and show you. Yes, this is a well. One pulley is attached on the top of the well. From that pulley, with a rope, we tie a bucket and it goes down and we fill the water and we pull it up. So water comes out from that well. This is the tap which we used at home. Okay. Now this is the actually hand pump. This is a hand pump. If you just push up and down the pump, you will get a water comes out from that hand pump. These are all the sources which we get the water. What are the natural water bodies? Natural water bodies. Natural water bodies are ponds, lakes, rivers, seas and oceans. These are all the natural water bodies. And how we get the water? We get water from taps, wells and hand pumps. Understood? Any confusion you are having in this? Now you see here one exercise is also given. Circle the things or places in the box where we can get water from. From where we can get water? So we have to circle those things. Tap, pond, sky from means as a rainfall, well, sea and river. These are the places or things you can see from where we get the water. Now, which of these are natural? Which of these from these which are mentioned in the box, which are these of natural? Yes, I'll tell you. That is a pond, sea and river. These are all the natural water bodies which are made by a God. God gifted things, these are all. And what is the source of water? Any actually to, what is the source of a water? Source of water is tap, well, we get our from a hand pump, we get, yes, now. Now natural sources of water bodies, place which are filled with water, those are seas and oceans. They are completely filled with water. But have you observed when we just go to visit the beaches, are we able to drink that water? No, we never drink ocean and sea water because it is a salty water. वहाँ का पानी बहुत सॉल्टी रहता है. हम पानी पी सकते क्या? नहीं, वो हम पानी नहीं पी सकते, है ना? बिकॉज वो सॉल्टी रहता है. हम कौन सा पानी पी सकते हैं? सिर्फ रिवर्स का, टैप का, हैंडपंप का, वेल का, ये वाटर ही पी सकते हैं. हमारी अर्थ पे 75% वाटर है, लेकिन फिर भी हम बोलते हैं कि वाटर को सेव करना है. व्हाई वी हैव टू सेव द वाटर? बिकॉज आउट ऑफ इट only limited water we get, that is a pure water, that is a salty water. Seas and oceans water is salty, we cannot drink that water. For cooking we need water, for drinking we need water. If we want to cook food, we have to use the neat and clean water. For taking bath, we need water. So for these things all over, we require water around us. We also need water for our plants and pets also. Yes, plants means plants even cannot grow without water. We have to pour some water. And pets, what are the pet animals? Pet animals are like goat, dog, cat. They are pet animals. Pet animals means which can live with us. जो हमारे साथ रह सकते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं पेट एनिमल्स, है ना। तो ये पेट एनिमल्स को भी तो वाटर लगता ना पीने के लिए, लगता ना। तो इनके लिए भी हमको क्या करना पड़ता, पानी लगता है, फिर हम इनको भी पानी देना पड़ता है कि नहीं। तो even they require water and we require water for drinking, for cooking our food, for cleaning our body and for washing our things. We require the water. We need water for plants and for our pets also. We cannot use water from all water bodies. From all water bodies we cannot use the water. From oceans we use the water? No. From seas we use the water? No. From where but we use the water? Water in ponds, lakes and rivers is called a fresh water. हमको सिर्फ पानी किसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, सिर्फ लेक्स का, पॉन्ड्स का, रिवर्स का, यही वाटर यूज कर सकते। सीज और ओशंस का वाटर नहीं यूज कर सकते। क्यों नहीं यूज कर सकते? क्योंकि वो वाटर सॉल्टी रहता है। तो फ्रेश वाटर कौन सा रहता है? फ्रेश वाटर रिवर्स, लेक्स, पॉन्ड्स और वेल्स का, इनका वाटर फ्रेश रहता है, जो कि हम पी भी सकते हैं। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? इन इंग्लिश as well as in Hindi I am explaining you. Okay, so we cannot use sea and ocean water for drinking. We use fresh water and we get fresh water from ponds, lakes, rivers and wells. Okay, we can use it for drinking. Fresh water is used for drinking, cleaning and cooking. Okay, we use fresh water for drinking, cleaning and cooking. The water in seas and ocean is salty, so we cannot use it for any of our needs. Now you see, खाना बनाने के लिए हम सी और ओशन का वाटर नहीं यूज कर सकते, एंड इवन वी कैनॉट यूज फॉर क्लीनिंग आवर बॉडी, फॉर कुकिंग आवर फूड। ये सारी चीजों के लिए ये वाटर नहीं यूज किया जाता है ना। नाउ in this exercise number 4, here it is given, write 2 examples each of fresh and salt water sources. Here fresh water, in this fresh water what you are going to write? From where we get a fresh water? From here river you can write, and here you can write a lake or pond. In a salt water you can write sea and second one is ocean. Yes na? Yes. Now this I explain you. Now what here some exercise is given. Take 2 cups half filled with tap water. आपको क्या करना है, 2 कप में ना हाफ उसमें ना आपके टैप का वाटर लेना है, and 1 spoon salt you have to drop. Okay, you have to put 1 spoon of salt. And what type of water did you get when you mixed salt in the water? अगर आपने 2 कप में पानी डाला है और आपने उसमें 1 स्पून सॉल्ट डाला, ओके, और आपको उसको मिक्स करना है। मिक्स करने के बाद में आपको वो वाटर कैसा लगेगा? यस, दिस इज द सॉल्ट वाटर. ओके, how the water becomes salty? Yes. And can we drink salt water? No, we cannot drink. How will it taste? It tastes salty. एकदम नमक का खारा पानी लगता ना, Yes, so we actually cannot drink the salty water, and when you just mix a salt in the water, it becomes salty. So this is about the lesson block number 6, water to live. हमको जीने के लिए पानी लगता है. पानी हमको कहाँ कहाँ से मिलता है? पानी हमको नेचुरली मिलता है, सी से, ओशन से, रिवर से, लेक से, पॉन्ड से. बट हम इन सब का पानी पी सकते क्या? नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज salty water. Sea and ocean water we cannot drink because it is a salty water. We only drink a fresh water. Fresh water is useful for drinking, cleaning and cooking for cooking our food. These are all things are used. We get a fresh water from taps and hand pumps, wells, okay, and we drink also a fresh water. So this is about our block number 6, water to live. I hope students that you understood this block number 6. Okay, if you are having any doubt, you just explain me, you just inform me. In our next lesson we will continue page number 32. Thank you students for listening me.